Barbecue.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and tonight we have some special guests with us. That's my sons. I got Max and Jackson, the little guy. Right? These boys loved doing the hamburgers last time, right? The cheeseburgers we made. So tonight, I'm going to do something a little bit different. If you go back a few of my videos, I used to do some videos called Can I Grill That, or Can You Grill That, or whatever. So we're kind of going to do an episode with the boys doing a Can I Grill That. And we're going to do some of these little frozen pizzas. These, I think it's like Red Baron cheese pizzas. They had some pepperonis, but we actually already ate all those. So we're going to add some pepperoni. Got a little Hormel pepperoni. Then we're going to top it off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese to go with it. So anyway, that's what we're doing tonight. Oh, and I also got for me and the wife a couple of big old fat sirloins, and we're going to do a couple of these little twice baked potatoes or whatever they're called. Anyway, we're going to do all that on the Oklahoma Joe pellet grill just because I'm lazy and I don't want to fire up anything else. And so anyway, let's get to cooking. You guys ready to cook?
Yep.
All right, let's do this. We're going to go ahead and get the steaks and potatoes on because we got to get them going first. And then we'll throw the pizzas on and get them ready, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. All right, boys, you ready to make your pizzas?
Yep.
Okay, you got your pepperonis? Okay, put your pepperonis on. Here, let's make this better because you guys sure got it kind of crossed here. There you go. Now put yours on there. You were trying to do yours on that side and his on this side.
I'm trying to do a smiley face.
Yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to tell if the smiley face with this, how big the pepperonis are versus how big the pizza is.
Yeah, I was extra.
Yeah, just put another one on there. Just put them all on there. There you go. Make a little flour. Now here you got to put a couple on Genesis for.
I'll put.
You want to put a couple on Genesis? Okay, Jackson wants to do it. Put a couple on there. There you go. And we're gonna put some Parmesan cheese on top of this.
Ooh.
Yeah, you like that? Okay, so that's Jenna. So we know Jenna has the 4, Max has the flour thing, and yours has the 3 in a row and 2. Okay.
I mean, that's
Okay, put a little Parmesan, just a little bit. Don't put a whole bunch. Sprinkle all around your pizza there. Oh, oh!
Oh.
You can't. You gotta get.
I'll spread it out.
It's fine. We're just gonna do this.
Yay.
Okay.
You want to spread it out?
That's fine. Yeah, we'll spread a little out here. Actually, do yours. Here, let's spread yours out. Yeah, yeah.
I'll do it.
Dude, not so close. See, you put too much in one little spot because you were real close. You put some more on there, but you got to stay above it. There you go. Come on, shake it.
Don't forget dinner.
There you go. That's good.
That's your dinner.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
That's your dinner. Oh,
Yeah, we got to put a little bit on Genesis. Put a lot of Parmesan on there, bro. Yeah, you got to learn how to shake it. There, like that. That's good. All right. Now, I'll grab them over here. Now, we're not going to take it off with those. Put that down. Okay. Now, here's what we're going to do, okay? Here. Max, why don't you show them?
Okay. I do.
Here. You got it?
I want to.
Okay, just wait. Just wait. Okay, so this is Max's. So we're going to stick yours off to the side. Okay. We're going to do Jackson's. We're going to do Jackson's over here with yours, and we'll put Jenna's over here.
I want to hold this camera.
Just wait, bud. Just wait. Okay. We'll shut the lid.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to flip these steaks over. While I'm waiting here, flip these steaks. I really should have put this one probably over here. Oh no! Oh no! I lost it. Okay, that looks good. Alright. Everything looks pretty good. We're gonna let it cook a little bit. Okay, Jackson's running the camera, so I just want to make sure he knows what he's doing here. Alright. Throw these down here. Do them like that. I'm gonna take these.
Yeah, I don't know how the potatoes are though.
Make sure the potatoes are good. Okay, shut it down.
Woo!
Did a good job, buddy. Alright, you boys ready to check this out?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Let's see what they look like. Oh man. Shoo-wee! I don't see it melting a whole lot yet, but they're getting closer. You can tell it's getting a little softer. But steaks and everything look pretty good. Alright. Alright, you let it go a little longer?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So you guys were over there playing. I moved these pizzas to the top. Hopefully get that cheese to melt a little bit more on top, a little faster. I think my steaks are pretty well done, so we're gonna get ready to pull those off. But I think it's going pretty good. I think that Parmesan's starting to brown up. I think it's all gonna look real nice when we're done. Okay, you ready, bud? Here, you want to come over here and see? All right, here, let's get this thing. I know you can't quite reach them up there, can you? Here, we'll pull it off and tell me what you think, okay? Does that look pretty good?
They do look good.
Okay. You gonna hold that? You hold that and I'll flip all these off, okay?
Whoa.
I think that one was yours and that was Max's.
You're doing a good job, Dex.
And this is yours, Jenna's.
Yeah, I can tell which one's mine.
Okay, you take it, can you hold it really good? Here, hold it out a little farther. Here, take this hand, there you go. Now, let's take it set it over here on the table.
Yeah.
Set it up there?
You're doing a good job, Dex.
There you go, good job, buddy. Alright. Alright, now we just gotta finish up with the steaks and taters, and then we're gonna get them off. What are you doing? Crazy kids. Okay. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take these steaks off, take these taters off, and then hopefully we'll be ready to eat, right?
Yep.
Right. Right? Right. Yep. Okay. Alright, boys.
Yeah.
You ate your pizzas, right? Did you eat your pizza?
Yep.
Yeah. Now, what did you think about your pizza?
Good.
You liked it? Was it tasty? You?
10,000 out of 10.
10,000 out of 10. That's a really high number out of 10. Did you say 10 out of 10?
Yeah, sure.
And?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Okay. All right, we'll go with that. 11 out of 10. All right. So the pizzas worked out good, right? Okay. So that means we can end this video, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So the pizzas were good. The steak was good. The potatoes were good. Everything was good. Everything turned out good?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy to make. So that answers your question. You can grill the mini pizzas. Okay? Pretty easy. That is it for us tonight. We're done. We already ate. Boys, we got to get ready to go to bed. I got things to do, and we'll see you guys next time. Other than that, don't forget to follow me on Facebook at NewbieQ2020, Instagram at NewbieQ2020, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Right?
Yeah.
Peace out.
Yeah.
Peace.